Osmo Mobile SE First Use. Open the box. You will see the Osmo Mobile SE gimbal and its accessories. Take out Osmo Mobile SE and mount the grip tripod. Unfold the gimbal. Attach the magnetic phone clamp to the center of the phone. Attach the clamp to the magnetic dot on the gimbal to start using. Press and hold the M button for 2 seconds. The gimbal powers on and starts to stabilize the smartphone. Make sure there's an internet connection and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Launch the DJI Mimo app. Select Osmo Mobile SE and tap Authorize to connect to the gimbal via Bluetooth. The system status indicator will turn solid green, and you can start using DJI Mimo. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchase and binding within 30 days of Action 3 activation. Launch the Mimo app. In camera view, slide to switch between photo and video mode. Tap the record button to start shooting. Tap the playback icon to view the footage you just captured. Tap the star icon on the top left corner to get shot guidance. Joystick. Push the joystick to control the gimbal direction. M button. Press Osmo Mobile SE's M button once to switch between gimbal follow modes. Press the M button 3 times to enter standby mode. The system status indicator blinks yellow or green slowly. Shutter record button. Press the shutter button once to start or stop recording. In photo mode, press and hold to shoot strings. Switch button. Press the switch button once to switch between the front and back cameras. Press the switch button twice to switch between portrait and landscape mode. Press 3 times to switch between photo and video. Zoom slider. Push the zoom slider continuously to change the zoom continuously. Push the zoom slider once to quickly switch the zoom once. Trigger. Press the trigger once to enable or disable active track. Press the trigger twice to recenter. Press and hold the trigger to enter lock mode. Press once and then press and hold to set the follow speed. On the front of Osmo Mobile SE, there's a system status indicator, a battery level indicator, and gimbal mode indicators. System status indicator. When the gimbal is not connected via Bluetooth, the system status indicator is solid yellow. When the gimbal is connected via Bluetooth, the system status indicator is solid green. Battery level indicator. When the battery level is lower than 20%, the battery level indicator turns red. Please use the charging cable included to charge the gimbal quickly. When the battery level is between 20% to 60%, the indicator turns solid yellow. When the battery level is higher than 60%, the indicator turns solid green. Gimbal mode indicators. Press the M button once to switch between gimbal modes with a beep sound. Press and hold the M button to power off the gimbal. Detach the smartphone and the magnetic phone clamp. Rotate to a proper angle and fold Osmo Mobile SE for storage. Thanks for watching.